Day trading is definitely not easy, however it is not as hard as you think. In this video I'm going to teach you exactly what trading is and exactly what you should know as a complete beginner without the fluff. I guarantee you'll find value in this video, and if not, you don't have to subscribe. Otherwise, you know what you gotta do. So, what exactly is trading? Trading is the act of buying and selling financial assets like stocks, currencies, commodities, and crypto. If you buy and price goes up, you make money, but if you buy and price goes down, you lose money. Now that you know exactly what trading is, I'm going to give you the best tips and tricks from my 6 years of experience. Number 1, don't listen to the gurus. Anyone who says you can get rich overnight is a liar, and their job is just to funnel you to a course so you can make them more money. Number 2, so this kind of ties with number 1, but there is no holy grail strategy. If there was, we would all be rich. This third one, and I can't stress this enough, if you gamble, you'll never succeed. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Use proper risk management. The last one is psychology. Trading is you versus you, and just remember that you have to overcome your emotions. That's it for now. Subscribe.